I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lodge the Medicare levy. The Medicare levy is a 2.0% tax on your taxable income, contributing to Australia's public healthcare system. It's important to understand your obligations and how to correctly report it on your tax return. We'll cover the basics to help you navigate this process smoothly. Determining your eligibility for a Medicare levy exemption or reduction is key. You might be exempt if your income is below a certain threshold, or if you are a foreign resident for tax purposes. Additionally, certain medical conditions can qualify you for an exemption. Check the specific criteria to see if you apply. Lodging your Medicare levy is straightforward, as it's integrated into your annual income tax return. Ensure you accurately report all your income and any applicable exemption details in the designated sections. The Australian Taxation Office will then calculate your final levy amount based on the information you provide. To avoid common mistakes, always double-check your taxable income figures to ensure accuracy. Many people miss out on eligible exemptions or reductions, so be sure to claim everything you qualify for. Accuracy in your tax return prevents future complications and ensures you pay the correct amount. Taking a little extra time now can save you a lot of hassle later. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.